Hey guys, what's up? Assalamu alaikum. So after a long time, I am back with the new video, the properties of lubricating oil. So some of the physical and chemical properties which are significant in selection of the lubricant are given below. What are those properties? We have viscosity, we have aniline point, we have viscosity, aniline point, cloud point, pour point, flash point, fire point, neutralization point, carbon residue, emulsification, and iodine value. So, uh, all of these properties are very important for in selecting a lubricating oil. So, let's go. So, these properties of lubricant would help an engineer to make a correct choice of the lubricant. Fine. So the viscosity, it is denoted by the symbol eta. So first of all, we will see what is viscosity. Viscosity is the property of a liquid or fluid by virtue of which it offers resistance to its own flow. So it's mainly due to the forces of cohesion between the fluid molecules. It's a measure of a fluid's resistance to flow. So for example, we have gasoline, which flows easily. Why it flows easily? Because it has low viscosity, and liquids such as tar, which flows slowly, and it has, why it flows slowly? Because it has very high viscosity. Fine. Now, what are the units of this viscosity? We have two different units, and in CGS, it's measured in dynes per centimeter square, and then it is also expressed in centistrokes, that is centimeters square per second. Fine. So, if you want to determine this kinematic viscosity, it can be determined by as absolute viscosity divided by density of oil. Fine. So there are very important pointers to remember. Viscosity is one of the most important properties of a lubricating oil. Viscosity of the lubricating oil determines its performance under operating conditions. Fine. Number two, if the viscosity of the liquid is too low, the fluid lubricant, or we can say film, cannot be maintained between the moving surfaces, as a result of which excessive wear may take place. Fine. If the viscosity of the lubricating oil is too high, excessive friction will take place. So the last point we must remember, in thick film lubrication, the lubricant selected should be such that the selected lubricant possesses a sufficiently high viscosity. Why? Because it may adhere to the surface and do not squeeze out under operating conditions. And on the other hand, the viscosity of the lubricant should not be too high, otherwise it will cause excessive friction. So there are some instruments by which we can determine the viscosity of a lubricating oil, which are known as viscometers. So different viscometers used can be Redwood viscometer, Angler's viscometer, Staybolt's viscometer. Fine.